Yeah. How are you sleep anytime?
Oh, it's good. How's yours?
What's your leg doing? You're farting?
I just answered you first, honey.
You're farting right on me.
Yes, thank you. Ah! Okay, start the fan.
Start the fan.
Today I'm gonna talk about our fan. This is Max Air Deluxe Series 12 volt fan. Advantage of Deluxe Series is that we can use while it's raining. So you don't need to make yourself suffered by sitting in a hot van while it's raining. The front fan is 6200K version, manual opening, and the back side is 7500K version, remote controlled opening. So both fans are 10 speed intake and exhaust. So when we cook, the back side is intake the air and the front side is exhaust. This is maybe after a month. Grease, flies, it's so dirty. So we're gonna clean up. To clean up, we can take off the screen easily. Ooh, it's so dirty. But taking off the fan blade is a little bit tricky. Use the Allen key. There's a small hole. And you can just slide it down. So dirty. Oh hey,
Oh, hey.
supplies.
You're doing it really clean, huh?
Yes, honey. What do you think?
Oh, that's great.
How's the fun?
It's cheap. So the issue is they both make noise when they're on.
Yeah.
So this one squeaks. So it squeaks when it's sucking. But when it's coming in, it doesn't squeak. And then you can kind of temporarily fix it by putting it, setting it to in, turning it on really fast.
Yeah.
And then I guess it might lubricate the bearing or something. But then, and then you flip it back to out, and then it's not squeaking, but maybe after a few hours it starts squeaking again. It's just like, drives you nuts. Apparently you can get them to send you a new one, but it's such a hassle, right? The other thing I don't like is it's hard to tell when you're blowing in or out. There should be just like, I don't know, light or something.
Yeah, now it's in and out.
Going by feel, you can't feel it, so we should probably just tie a string to the screen.
Yeah, but you know, if it's getting dirty and oily, and it's not gonna be flapping anymore.
Oh, yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
You can try. Also, it can squeak if this is not tight enough. So when you're driving along, the lid will kind of squeak. And then the back one is with the remote, and that's all right. But if you want to just turn the fan off, yeah, you have to. It says fan on or off, but then it also closes the lid as well if you do that.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just want to turn the fan off, but leave the lid open, right?
Yeah, you can just leave the open later.
Yeah, well, it's 2 steps.
2 steps, yes.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of picky about this kind of stuff, but
You are, yes, and you're so sensitive too. I don't care about those squeaky noise.
oh, it drives me nuts.
Yeah.
No, anytime we're driving around and the van is like making noise, I'm like, okay, we have to fix it.
Well,
Installing it was good.
wasn't that bad, right? That was the first thing we have to install. Like that's why it's take time, but.
All right, first hole. Yeah, a little nervous here. It's a nice van. Why am I drilling holes in it? Okay. Like this. Oh, there we go. First hole. Big hole in the roof now. Hopefully it's all good. It's not leaking.
It's not leaking, no.
Yeah, apparently these are the best fan you can get, but they're still kind of cheap. Maybe we should talk about why we put 2 in. That's kind of unusual.
Yeah, but air has to go in and out, right? So
a lot
no.
of people will cut a hole in the floor, which I'm not keen on because if you drive down a gravel road, you can get dust coming in the van
Yeah.
because of that. That sucks. So that's why we put 2 in. And you can set 1 to blow, 1 to suck. And yeah, sometimes at night, like you don't want the fan to be near you, right? Like right above your head while you're trying to sleep.
Yeah.
So we'll just turn this one on, set this one to suck, so air is going out, and then we'll just leave the back one open, and then the air just comes in quietly,
Yeah.
and it's actually just a nice breeze.
It's really nice. Bye bye. See you later.
See ya. Hello.
Ah, welcome home.
Yeah, welcome home. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I've been working. Oh, you put a string.
Yes. Did you realize that? What do you think?
It's good, right? Because then you can tell if it's blowing or sucking. Let's try it.
It's not really working, honey.
Maybe it needs to be a little shorter. So like this. Did it work though?
I think so. Yeah. It's good, honey.
Yeah.
It's good.
Good job. I've been wanting to do that for a long time.
I know. I don't know why my part is always louder than yours.
Tighter asshole
Oh, yeah.
versus.
You need to tighten up a little bit more, honey. Yeah.
Oh, so stupid.